Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be looking at another API from HailBytes, and this one is called Certificate Transparency Scan. Let's get right into this. So what this API does is it checks certificate transparency records for a domain to find other associated domains and IP addresses. So many websites share SSL for their subdomains and their other websites. So you can use this API to check the certificates of a domain and find other websites associated with that domain, other IP address associated with that domain. So let's try this out on rapidapi.com and let's see what information we can pull off that. Let's test this out. So we have our results here and we get lots of information about rapidapi.com just from checking the certificate transparency records. So we have some subdomains here that we could not have gotten from a subdomain brute force scan or using a dictionary to brute force subdomains. So we have amp.rapidapi.com. We have the IP address here, and we have lots of websites related to rapidapi.com. And we couldn't have gotten this information easily from checking for subdomains or brute forcing for subdomains. And we also have some similar websites to RapidAPI. These are probably some Cloudflare servers RapidAPI uses. If you collapse this drop down, you get to see other information like domains with no DNS records, and this pulls up some other subdomains that don't have a DNS record yet, and we just get lots of other websites related to rapidapi.com. So this groups all this information in a very nice format in JSON, and you can just start using this in your program for your penetration test information gathering or for your security investigations. And this is a very good tool you can start using for free. Just come over to pricing and subscribe for free, and you can start using the certificate transparency scan by HailBytes. That will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to also follow HailBytes on LinkedIn to get information about interesting stuff like this. And I'll see you in the next video.